One thing I ain't never been a fan of is going to the barber shop. The reason why I have these locks right now on my head for 7 years is because I decided to never go back to a barber shop again. So today I'm gonna react to memes that might just make you want to stop going to your barber also, because some of these are hilarious. Barber, what you want? Young Thug. You know those spot of things that jump on your face in the alien movies? Barber, say no more. The alien movies. Jeez, these are his legendary locks somehow. Photos on your barber's wall. We got Jaden Smith with the forwards ponytail. And then when the barber actually cuts your hair, you get KSI with the forwards ponytail. Is that his real locks on KSI? I don't recall him with the high top lock like that. Barber, what you want? Dude, wide receiver in the front and cornerback in the back. He's got locks on the back half of his head, and the front half there's a part and a taper and a lineup and a fade. Yo, no lie, this hairstyle goes hard. I would be happy with the barber if he gave me that look. Barber, what you want? Her coughs. Barber, say no more, fam. And she looks like the spike protein of coronavirus. You know what I'm saying? Barber, what you want? Me. I want that walking through the valley, the shadow of death look. Barber says no more. It's Coolio. Dude, low-key Coolio's hairstyle was an inspiration in my quest to have long hair growing up. I even tried to get braids like him, but obviously dreadlocks fit better. Barber says what you want? Him. I heard the Los Angeles Rams need a new mascot. Barber says say no more, fam. And it's funny because we've had Bill Saber on the Dreadlock channel before with the Dreadlock review. Buffalo, stand up. Bro, how did you fit a zipper on somebody's head like that? That's like some Halloween shit. Barber, what's today? Lady, I need better eyesight. Barber, say no more. And she made her dreads look like carrots for eyesight. Jeez. Oh man. Yo, Barber. Barber says, what's on it today? This guy says, I want to appear taller than I am. Barber, I just got the cut for you. I got just a cut for you. This is the pineapple top with the locks. It's to appear like we're taller than we actually are. What kind of cut you want? Ever played Minecraft? Say no more, fam. Yo, is that real? It's so square. It's so square. When you couldn't decide between dreads or a haircut, so the barber gave you both. Yo, it's like half freeform, half fade up taper. Again, I actually kind of like this hairstyle. This reminds me of some shit that I saw in the Dominican Republic, to be honest. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? The barber says say no more. This is an actual pineapple top without the locks. Ah! It's like the beginning of a rat tail. Keep playing with me, I'm gonna cut your dreads off. Yo, never threaten to cut off somebody's locks, man. Hey girl, ya dread yet? Okay, I don't really get it. Give me dreadlocks, but only 2 of them. Yo, wick game is strong these days. The wick game is strong. People just want 2 dreads, even 1. That plica. When people do Cosby memes, I dread it. No, that's bad. That's bad, because dreadlocks are not dreadful. This dog has dreadlocks. Your arguments are invalid. I was never arguing anything to begin with. What dreadlocks are really for, I mean, he's just secure in the package. I can think of 100 other reasons what dreadlocks are good for. Lost students' homework, used graded paper as a doobie. I mean, this plays into that whole dreadheads are stoners stereotype. I mean, I would say it's a half truth because you don't know, a lot of freeformers will smoke weed. It's a given. So do you pull out your dreadlocks before you wash them? Yo, I've actually been asked this before. Like, excuse me, do you take your locks out before washing them? Like, hello, no, these are permanent. Permanente. Has mold in dreads. Still doesn't shower. That's a low blow. That is a low blow. When your dreads get rained on too much. It's not even funny. Some of these are so mean. I'm greasy. What? What part about her even looks greasy? Like matted hair, it doesn't look greasy, does it? Complains about burritos being culturally appropriated, has dreadlocks. Who are these memes being made off of? I don't get it. What's happening out in the world for someone to have to make a meme like this? White boy dreads laughs for hours. Hey, it's not nice to laugh at people with dreads, man. Especially hatred within our own community. Come on, it's not nice. Your girl cannot be trusted, homie. Long hair don't care. Thanks to my sassy baby. Oh, that is a lot of parting that happened there. This is a good one. Touch dreads, lose hand. Don't touch our dreads without asking. Bitches be like, he cute cause he got dumb dreads. Guess who needs their dreads retwisted? This guy right here. Sup, bruh? Can I borrow everything? Yo, people really have stigmatic problems with people with locks. They think we're dirty, greasy, lazy, hypocritical, poor. Like, what is with the world? Why do they think that we're like this? I don't get it. Never trust a white chick with dreads. Man, the world really don't like us. If you think girls like white guys with dreads, you're gonna have a bad time. Some of these are painful. Some of these are painful. Brace yourselves. White people with dreads are That's it. Bruh. I don't know. This offends me, bro, you know? This offends me. I'm half white. This is offending me as well. You know? It's rudeness. Oh, you have dreads? Please allow me to sit and watch you play with them. Nah. Don't play with your locks, people. Don't give them the satisfaction. Not sure if a female or light-skinned dude with dreads. What? Yo, these are so bad. Florida man shot at mother after she asked him for rent and gas money. Yo, respect your mother. Respect your mother. And your father. This is a good one. Niggas be like, just got my dreads twisted. Sitting near the blow dryer. Chief Keef makes music for niggas who go to Walmart to use their deodorant, then leave. Low blow. Dreads, because the world should know just how much your hair isn't washed. Again, just because you have locks doesn't mean we don't wash our hair. But I will say that because I have locks, there's a good chance I only washed my hair once this month. If you have sex with this guy, your pubes will turn to dreads. Okay. Hair like pasta, dreads like rasta. Yo, low key, this lady's locks is actually fire. Like, those are fantastic freeform locks. They're thick, they're long, they got texture and character. And she's got a huge knitted tam on. I love them. This lady deserves a lot better than the memes that are out there about her. And if anybody knows this lady, please get in touch with me because I would love to have her on the channel for an interview. But anyways, that's it today. Let me know what your favorite dreadlock meme was out of the bunch, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm God. Cha-cha-cha.